Resort is also a haven for rescued and rehabilitated birds, as well as a center for breeding exotic native bird species. The Malagos Bird Show is now on its 20th year. We're happy to have shared this experience with you. We will continue to educate our guests the importance of conservation and protection of our nature, culture, and local biodiversity while bringing to life
Namin dito sa Malagos Garden. We are going
Let
to
us continue to be
witness
part
a
of
bird
the
show.
solution and not part of the pollution.
Volunteer, kamu volunteer.
Pero ano Kuya Larry?
Nadire mag-asawang lagan.
Shout out.
Kung mga influential and popular friends.
Charot lang, charot. Digital lahat.
Ay wala, palpak.
Mura po siya pa nila hanggang.
Bisa mag-straight.
Sila mag
Wala siya sa mood. No. Okay, mana.
Okay, our preschooler ducks and pupil chickens have already marched inside their classroom. Nakita din natin nakapag-flag racing na rin sila, which can only mean that our class is about to start. Mabuhay og Badayaw, my name is Mr. J and I'll be your host in this 40-minute nature discovery experience. Okay? So today, what we're going to do is we're going to learn a lot about birds, culture, environment, no? Yun yung pag-uusapan natin today. Hopefully, at the end of this show, a lot about ourselves and our relationship with Mother Nature. Again, now I can see a lot of kids in the audience. Ang daming mga estudyante natin today. But you know what? Hindi natin sila yung magiging estudyante natin, okay? Because all of us are going to school together. Because what better way for us to learn and understand about nature and culture than learning it from our teacher birds themselves. Now let me share this to you, no, that these teacher birds that we have are actually rescued and donated birds who we cannot release back in the wild. Why? Well, number one, some of them are non-endemic. Non-endemic meaning hindi sila taga rito. And if we release them back in the wild, oh surely they will not survive. Diba? And number two, some of our birds are actually left disabled from their injury. That is why we take this opportunity, do this activity, to entertain our rehabilitated birds, at the same time teach you, our guests, about environmental and cultural awareness. Okay? So yan po yung gagawin natin ngayong umaga. Okay, so sa mga estudyante natin, no, to the Malagos Bird School students, my question now is, are we all ready to watch, or are we all ready to learn this morning?
Yes.
Okay, very good, because we're ready as well. So let's proceed with our first lesson for the day, which is Good Manners and Right Conduct, or GMRC. Okay, yan yung first lesson natin. Alright? Now, to proceed with our first teacher bird, let me call on the star student of Malagos Bird School. Round of applause, please. Yan, ito po, I see. Hindi ko muna sasabihin yung pangalan, no? Kasi siya yung magsasabi sa inyo mamaya, okay? Now, let me share to you that this one is an African gray parrot. African gray parrot po yan siya. Little trivia, African gray parrots are the most intelligent among the parrot family. Okay? Very good na. Since ikaw yung pinakamatalino at star student, can you greet everybody with our standard greeting here? Ha? Sige nga, anong sasabihin natin? Madayaw. Sabi niya, madayaw.
Sure, just...
Narinig niya yan. Okay, pero as I've mentioned, ikaw yung magpakilala sa sarili mo. Sige, can you tell your classmate what's your name?
Madayaw.
Hindi, what's your name? Sige, ano pangalan mo?
Madayaw.
Isa pa daw. What's your name? Narinig niyo? Sabi niya, Donald. Ang pangalan po niya ay si Donald. Okay, now, this time, I want you guys to greet naman itong si classmate po ninyo na si Donald. So, can everybody say, Good morning, Donald?
Good morning, Donald.
Oh, Donald, sabi nila, good morning. What do we say in return? Oh, mahina yung mic. Nandun niya? Say ulit. One more time. Nagsabi sila ng good morning. Anong i-response natin?
Good morning.
Diba? Kasi nga, as part of good manners, if someone is saying good morning to us, anong sasabihin dapat? Good morning din, diba? So, baka you might be wondering, how are birds able to talk? Well, you know what? They don't. They just copy or mimic the sound. No? Yan po yung ginagawa nila. Kasi back in the wild, no, they do this activity, itong nag-mimic to create social bond with their flock. Okay? Very good. Now, Donald, ikaw naman yung mag-kumusta sa kanila. Can you ask them kung kumusta sila? Sige nga, Donald.
Hello. How are you?
Sabi nga, hello, how are you? How are you? Okay? So, pag may nagtanong sa atin ng ganun na question, what do we respond? We say, I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Okay, very good. Pero sa dami ng audience natin o sa mga classmates ni Donald ngayon, I'm sure may nagbe-birthday ba? Do we have birthday celebrants for this month of January? Do we have? Oh, we have here. Pero ba? Oh, we have on that side. O may mga birthday celebrants tayo dito, Donald. What do we say to our birthday celebrants? Sige nga, Donald.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, good! Sabi ni Donald, happy birthday naman. Isa pa nga, Donald.
Happy birthday to you.
Very good. Sabi ni Donald, happy birthday. We have many more birthdays to come. Pero you know what? Hindi lang po si Donald yung babati sa inyo ng happy birthday. Because we have another bird here na si Nigel who's going to show us. Anong gagawin ni Nigel?
Sing dance.
Sing and dance. Nasa mga birthday celebrant. Sige, tingnan natin to. Music, please. Kaya niyo yan, ha? Paikot-ikot, diba? Very good. Diba? Okay, tingin tayo si Nigel. Okay, one more time. Very good. Sabi niya mo. Very good. Thank you so much to our lovely parents, Donald and Nigel. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Okay. Now, here in Malagos, we believe that nutrition and education should go hand in hand. Especially with birds, with specific type of diet. Now, since it's recess time, it's time to bring out some food to our teacher birds. Starting off with Valencia. Come on out, Valencia. Lumagpas na. Can anyone guess kung anong uri ibon yung si Valencia? Eagle? No, it's not an eagle. Falcon, hindi rin falcon. It's actually a Brahminy kite. No? Sa Tagalog, tawag nila ay lawin. Or in Bisaya, we commonly call them as banog. No, ang dami yan dito here in Baguio District area. Now, since our topic is about food, no, kung ano yung kinakain nila, can anyone guess kung anong kinakain ng mga Brahminy kites? Ano? So, they're actually what we call raptors. Kasi ang kinakain nila ay karne or meat. So, they are meat-eating birds. Itong si Valencia. Now, another trivia, itong si Valencia actually is a diurnal raptor. Meaning, active po sila sa umaga. Now, I'd like to introduce another type of raptor. Now, ito yung mga nocturnal raptors naman. Now, I'd like you to focus your attention to your right side of the amphitheater. Over there in the window area, you'll notice there's a bird. So, I'd like to introduce more pagka magbaba na yan siya. So, I want you to observe, listen as the bird will fly towards the amphitheater.
Wala po ni Harry Potter, oh.
Di ba? Napakaganda. Can anyone guess kung anong ibon ito? Owl. It's actually an owl. To be specific, it's a Philippine eagle owl. No? Or pago, kung tawagin natin sa Tagalog. Now, since our topic is about what they eat, ano naman yung favorite na kinakain ng mga owls?
Meat.
Insects? They're actually meat eaters and they love to eat rats or rodents. Mga daga. Yun yung favorite nilang kinakain. Okay? Now, I'd like to call on another owl. So this time naman, it's a common grass owl. Ang pangalan po naman niya ay si Noah. Sama na ito, Yan. Si Noah po lives lowland. No? Kasi nga, grass owl. Okay? So, itong mga grass owl, ang hilig nga nila, yung mga daga, so they're very beneficial now to our Filipino farmers. Sa mga magsasaka kasi, kinakain ngayon nila yung mga pumipeste sa palayan. No? That's how beneficial owls are to our community. Okay? Very good. Let's give a round of applause naman kay Brian and kay Noah, our resident owls here in Malagos Garden Resort. Alright. Now we're done with raptors. No? Napakilala ko na sa inyo mga diurnal and nocturnal raptors. But this time, I'd like to introduce another type of bird naman. No? Another set of bird with specific diet. Hindi na sila mga raptor. Okay? But if you notice in my back, no, may tatlong ring. Kasi dyan mag-i-entrance yung ating next teacher bird. Okay? So at this point, help me welcome our teacher bird, Ringo! Come on, Ringo! Napakahusay! Napakaganda! Pag lumipad, okay? Anyone guess, anong oring ibon si Ringo? Ha? Kalaw, correct. Or hornbills. It's also correct. Now, to be specific, this one is a rufous hornbill. Now, let me just tell this, no, the sad thing about hornbills nowadays, no, they're in a state of crisis. No, why? Mainly because of deforestation. No, kumukunti na ngayon yung population nila. Kasi, all because of us. No, because of the developments that we're doing. We're pushing them back until such time that yung area nila is not sufficient anymore. That's why here in Malagos, we advocate to wildlife conservation breeding. So yun yung ginagawa namin dito. As a matter of fact, we're very proud and happy to tell everybody that we have bred 3 of the endangered Calistic hornbills, all because of the efforts of Dr. Bo Cristina. So yun po yung ginawa namin dito to help out in the community, no? Pinapadami po namin itong mga hornbills natin. Alright? Let's give a round of applause kay Ringo, our local hornbill. Hindi ko napakita sa inyo, no, kung anong kinakain nila because I'm going to bring out another hornbill to you para ipakita ko sa iyo kung ano ang kinakain nila. Okay, this time let's try to bring out Bingo! Come on, Bingo!
Siya suot.
There we go. Very good. Now, ito parehas na po sila, no? Si Ringo at si Bingo are all rufous hornbill. Now, I'd like to show you kung ano yung kinakain nila, no? Tingnan niyo yung hawak ni Gerald ngayon, no? May bit-bit siyang pagkain. So, ayan po yung pagkain ng mga hornbills. Na ano kaya yung pagkain na mahilig kainin ng mga hornbills? Can anyone guess? Banana. So it is actually a fruit-eating bird. So kung anong prutas na available in the forest, it could be a papaya, saging, whatever fruit nga, which is available. So yun yung favorite nilang kainin. Kung kanina naman, ang tawag natin sa mga meat-eating bird ay raptors, eto naman po sila, ang tawag sa kanila ay frugivores, no? Or fruit-eating birds. Alright? Now we'd like to show you one characteristic of the hornbills. No? I-observe po natin, no, itong gagawin ngayon ni Gerald and ni Bingo. Okay, in the forest kasi, aside from flying, itong mga hornbills, they love to hop from branches to branches. So yan yung ginagawa nila. So the next time you would be in the forest and you see someone, or asang uring ibon, no, na may backpack na naghahop, yan po ay hornbill na po yun for sure. No? Kasi sila yung mahilig nga mag-hop from branches to branches. Alright, very good. Thank you so much, Bingo. Let's give a round of applause naman kay Bingo, our hornbill. Okay. Now, ito review muna kasi baka nakalimutan na natin yung lesson natin. Ano nga yung kinakain ng mga raptors? Meat, correct. Huh? What about owls? Anong kinakain ng mga owls? Rats or rodents. Very good. And lastly, of course, yung mga hornbills, ang kinakain nila ay fruits, no? Or mga prutas. And of course, there are other birds. Worm-eating birds, no? Mga seed-eating birds, and so on and so forth. Okay? Now, we've only scratched the surface. This time, to continue with the next part of the show, I'd like to call on Liz to guide us further in this nature discovery experience. Liz?
Ayan, maraming salamat po, Mr. J. Mabuhay og Madayaw, everyone. My name is Liz and I am very excited to be part of your nature and culture discovery experience. So my partner over here po is Ruby. And Ruby is a red eclectus parrot. In the eclectus parrot family, the green ones are the boys and the red ones are the girls. So everybody, please say hi naman to my partner Ruby. Ayan. So if you don't already know, Ruby has been with us for 15 years already, and Ruby is a product of our conservation breeding program. So now it's time for our next class. Before tayo mag-start sa ating next class, which will be the financial management class, I want everyone to look over here. We have here Miss Nita. Miss Nita is holding a paper bill. Nakikita po ba natin lahat?
Yes.
Yeah, so everybody, are you ready to meet our next teacher, Bird?
Yes.
Naku, parang walang energy. Again, everybody, are you ready to meet our next teacher, Bird?
Yes.
Ayan, so everybody help me welcome our resident pro, Rocky! Ayan, everybody say hi to Teacher Rocky. May nakuha siyang pera. Tingnan nga natin ang gapgapin niya sa pera na nakuha niya. Ayan, ako pinasok sa bulsa ni Kuya Jeffrey. Salamat raw po, Miss Nita. May pag-popcorn na raw po kami ni Rocky. Naka hindi po, biro lang po everyone. The money will actually go to our bird park, home of our rehabilitated and donated birds. So if you don't already know, our bird park is located just across the amphitheater. So may nakuha pong pera si Rocky. Tignan na natin ang gagawin ni Rocky sa pera na nakuha niya. Sige na, Rocky, turuan mo nga kami. Nako, parang nahihiya si Rocky. Everybody, a round of applause for Rocky naman. To cheer him. Ayan. Sige nga. May one card si Rocky. Lalagi na siya shopping. Magsha-shopping na si Rocky. Another sa savings. And another one for travel. Ayan. Very good. Everybody, a round of applause for Rocky. So Teacher Rocky wants to teach us, no, na it's okay to indulge ourselves once in a while. Shopping, travel, food tip, that's all okay. But we need to save some of what we earn sa ating savings because after all, it's not about how much we earn, it's about how much we save. Ayan, everybody say bye to Teacher Rocky. Ayan. So now it's time for our next class. And if I may ask, ano po bang favorite natin na subject? Recess time. Naku, hindi po. Tapos na po tayo. Now it's time to get physical. So maglalaro po ang ating lovely and cute cockatoos na basketball. So syempre, before tayo mag-game, mag-warm up po ng ating mga players. So we have here, Rookie. Anong gagawin ni Rookie? Ayan, scooter si Rookie para raw lesser carbon emission and saves the environment. Palakpakan naman kay Rookie, everyone. And over here we have Kaka. Anong ginagawa ni Kaka? Ayan, a bit of upper strength daw po for the game. Ayan, nagpupula si Kaka. Everybody, a round of applause for Kaka naman. Yes, so now our players are ready. Kami po ni Ruby ang magre-referee. Ano ba bang kulang? Kulang tayo ng cheerers. So on this side, I want everyone to cheer for Kaka. So we have Miss Nita leading us. Ang cheer po natin will be Kaka, Kaka. Ayan. And over here, I want you to cheer for Rookie. So everybody, your cheer here will be Rookie. Rookie. Sige nga, sample nga. Una tayo sa team, Kaka. Ayan, very good. How about team Rookie? Magpapatalo ka na?
Rookie!
Ayan, so everybody's ready. Our players are ready. Natakot raw po si Rookie. Pawal lang po. Again, let's cheer again for Rookie. Go team Rookie!
Rookie! Rookie! Rookie!
Ayan. How about last time, Team Kaka? Ayan. So, ready na po ba tayo, Kuya Johan? Okay, players ready, set, play ball!
Rookie! 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 Go Rookie! Hari Rookie!
So everybody on this round, ang ating winner po ay Team Kaka. Congratulations, Team Kaka. Naku, Kuya Gerald, ano po nangyari kay Rookie? Inatunawan sa lechon. Naku, feeling ko, pinagbigyan lang talaga ni Rookie si Kaka on this round. So Team Rookie, gusto po ba natin ng rematch?
Yes!
Yes, okay, rematch po tayo. Again, let's cheer for our team. Players ready, set, play po!
Rookie! Rookie! Maraming salamat raw po sa cheerers. So everybody, magbababay raw po muna si Rookie. Sige nga, say bye, Rookie! Bye! Bye, everyone! Ayan. So of course, something very interesting about our lovely cockatoos. If you're wondering paano po namin nalalaman kung babae o lalaki sila, nakikita po yan sa kanilang mata. Yung mga cockatoos po na may pula sa mata, yun po sila yung mga babae. And yung itim po ang kanilang mata, yun po sila yung lalaki. So, of course, PE time is not yet over. We have another student na sobrang excited na rin po mag-physical activity. So, ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome with a warm round of applause our Green Wings Macau. Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? Everybody meet red. Macaws are birds with enormous beauty. Kaya naman, it's very tempting not to just bring them home and make them our pets. But it's important to know that macaws take a certain know-how for us to properly take care of them. So it's important for us to be responsible pet owners. Take Red here for example. Red has been donated to our doorstep a long time ago. And since Red is from Brazil, we cannot release him back to the Philippine forest. Everybody, please say hi naman to our lovely bird, Red. Ayan. So for our physical activity, tignan nga natin ang gagawin ni Red. May prutas si Red. Anong gagawin ni Red? Ayan. Sinod niya sa basket. That's one fruit already. Everybody, a round of applause for Red. That's the second fruit. Wow! And 2 points already. Very good, Red. Ayan, ang ganda talaga ni Red. Third fruit. Flying over there and sinod po sa basket. Everybody, a round of applause naman for our lovely Green Wave Macau. So maraming salamat raw po. For this part of our class now, I want everyone to be a bit serious. Today, we're going to talk about climate change. Diba heat waves are crazy in the summer? Sobrang mainit na po pag summer. Our glaciers are melting. And recently po ay natamaan tayo ng bagyong Odette. Diba sa bagyong Odette, marami po livelihood and homes ang natamaan at nawala. So for today, we in Malagos Garden Resort believe that collectively we can do so much. And the first step is to learn how to properly segregate our waste. So to teach us the proper way of segregating our garbage, here is Red. Nakakita si Red ng plastic. Anong gagawin? gagawin ni Red sa plastic? Sige nga, Red, is it biodegradable or non-biodegradable? Ayan, everybody. Sabi ni Red, ang plastic lang po ay biodegradable or di nabubulok. And then over here, nakakita si Red ng dahon. Sige nga, Red, is it biodegradable or non-biodegradable? Ayan. So, according to Red, ang dahon nila po everyone are non-biodegradable. Salamat, biodegradable or nabubulok. Maraming salamat po, Sir Red. Ayan. So of course, now it's important to remember everyone that climate change is not only harmful to the environment, but also to the society. One protector of the environment that we especially like to mention and honor, dahil dito lang din po sila sa Baguio District mostly nakikita, are our brothers and sisters, Bagopo brothers and sisters. So here in Baguio District, we have the Talomo Lipadas, one of the two main watersheds here in Davao City. It is the current and the future source of drinking water in the city. Now you might be wondering, why are watersheds important? Bakit nga ba importante ang mga watersheds? Watersheds are important dahil marami pong buhay ang nakasalalay dito. Hindi lamang ating mga tao, but also to the many plants and animals na nakapaligid dito. So if you don't already know, for our local tribes, the land, the water, the air, and everything that breathes life are sacred. Kaya naman patuloy sila sa paglalaban to protect and save our environment. However, anong nangyayari? Due to human greed, due to urbanization, they're constantly being driven out of their ancestral homelands. Now, what will happen if patuloy itong mangyayari? What will happen to our resources, to our watershed? Sige nga, tingnan nga natin.
Nine for the production effort.
Mas nindot pa sa MMFF.
Now, earlier you noticed that the local tribal chieftain was praying for the birds for divine intervention. Because in some tribes, they do this as they do the birds as biological indicators. No? Yan yung ginagawa ng mga local tribes. No? Because of the birds, they will see or they will know that it is safe to return after sa mga calamity.
So in every disaster, we're given the chance to rebuild, to assess our mistakes and to learn from them. We hope you join us in our efforts to save and preserve the environment. Remember to always be part of the solution and not part of the pollution.
And that ends our show. By the way, this is the cast and crew of the longest running interactive bird show here in the Philippines, which we are doing now for the past 20 years already. We're in our 20th year right now. So, for our guest Alright, friends, we would like to say thank you for coming and watching the Malagos Garden Interactive Bird Show. We hope you learned something new today. We hope you had fun. And most importantly, we hope that you would cherish this moment that you have with you with your friends, loved ones, and families while enjoying this place that we call the Malagos Garden Resort. So for our final words, going to be Rookie is going to say, bye! Daghang salamat! O mayong buntag, kanatong tanan.